Out into the fresh air, get some wind blowing in your face, you'll be feeling a whole lot better. So we'll be looking for some whale spouts, some whale tails out there. We did see a whale on the way back in from our fishing trip just half an hour ago, so there's at least one not too far away, so we're going to be pointing a couple things out to you along the way, but we're going to prep the boat to get underway. One other thing that is very important is if you are standing on the bow, which is the pointy end of the boat, from the center of the boat over the right, that's where I need to see. So if your hands are touching the yellow tape there on the bow, unless you're really small, I can't see over the top yet.
Perfect.
That's better. Now I can see. But anywhere else is fine.
Come sit down, Uncle Daryl. Yeah, I know. You know, sit down. Everybody else sit down except for you. You don't need to. Sit down.
Ready?
We got you.
Yeah.
We experienced. There's escape hatch down there.
Yeah. It says fuel something or other.
You hear what she said?
Yes, I did. I recorded what she said. Now I can't. Now I can't.
Around like a fuel.
Uh-huh.
All clear. Saturday? All right.
Don't start questioning him.
Okay.
It is nice.
You have a chance to really do some things up in the north.
Every day you have something
Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful green. We just came from California.
Oh, did you?
Shady.
We came from Utah and dry. It's really hot there in the 90s.
Oh, yeah, California same thing.
This is so refreshing.
Yeah.
So you're from where now?
Utah.
Near Salt Lake City.
Utah.
Oh, okay. All right.
Nice and solid.
I've flown in there many times.
Have you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We, for the 10 years before we moved there, we lived in Massachusetts. So
Oh,
I was
okay.
used to living near lots of green
Oh,
and
yeah,
coast
yeah.
and everything. But we have 4 kids that live in Utah, so we figured, my husband retired, we should go live there.
There you go. There you go. So have you seen the movie One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest?
I haven't, but I saw the sign that they filmed it.
This is where they filmed it. They go under this bridge, the very first thing.
My yacht is 50 feet long.
I don't know. Here recording.
What's he talking about?
I thought he being recorded. He better be good. I'll put my recorder
I
on.
told us on my yacht, you know?
Now we go. We moving now.
Okay, guys, hang on. Here we go.
Yes.
Right.
Nice. Bye, everybody. Woo. Yeah. This is the life. Life is golden. Life is golden. Okay, I'm going to sign off.
Yeah, me too.
Bye-bye.
Birds looking for fish? Yeah.
They gonna find it. The water is so pretty, nice and blue and clean.
Yep.
Real nice. We're way out too.
We are.
We out in the Pacific, huh?
Yo, we are. Yeah. Yeah.
That's a lot of water.
Hey, Jim, what's the name of this town?
Depoe Bay.
Huh?
Depoe, D-E-P-O-E, Bay, Depoe Bay.
I told you I would find it.
Yeah.
Now we're really in deep water. See the fence
Uh-huh.
buoy there? Like this, huh? Deep water down.
Buoy means you in deep water.
Yeah.
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 Well, that's a marker for boats.
Walking for the boats. Hey, Jim, how far do we go out, did you say?
I forget, but an hour, I don't know, I suppose a mile or two. It's the farthest I've ever been on the Pacific.
Really? Is this considered the Pacific?
Yeah.
Wow. Nice.
Oh, Beverly Wilson.
It was surfing out, they got bit like that.
Right.
See us must be over here. I see him.
Wow. Those waves are big.
Oh, I see seals right there.
Oh yeah, they're everywhere. Fishermen like to shoot them because they eat all the bait.
Oh, okay. It's over here.
I thought we was going down.
Because we're going to turn around and go back.
Oh, we are? That ain't been an hour that quick.
Well, maybe we'll just be out here for a little bit. So we're thinking there might be a whale's tail over here someplace, maybe? I don't know. Did you see that?
I didn't see it. We're on the opposite side.
Oh, okay.
Look at all the boats over here.
Whoop.
Now you scared to get back over.
Well, it's just like right in front of you. You guys could go up along the rail if you want.
He jumping around in the water.
He was just spouting.
What?
Yeah. He's just right up there.
I'm scared.
It's right over here.
Oh, that's what everybody's looking at.
The boat is
Side
rocking.
over here. It's on this side.
Okay.
On what side?
Yes, yeah, yeah.
Where? I don't see
Right here, it's
nothing.
right here.
Where?
Over here, get some rocks over here. They're jumping around. Rock, wait, walk them on.
Picture, my bad.
All I see is the water hitting the rocks.
They're right here. You see them right here. See them? See the seals?
No.
Right there.
You got some good eyes.
He does,
son.
doesn't he?
'Cause I'm not seeing what you said. I see some
See
birds.
them right there, too. Look. All around here.
I think your mom playing tricks on you because I don't.
And we're just waiting for this whale
Now,
to come up again.
which one of us
Now,
needs
these
glasses,
guys
huh?
eating down there by the 7 feet.
They said the well's on a deep dive, but see, the well is to the right this time. It's on a deep dive. Over here, right.
What that's supposed to mean? He deep diving fishing. I mean,
Yeah,
he,
the fishing is right. This way?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, he's turning around. So
Yeah.
Oh, that should blow.
It's all right.
where?
Yeah.
Where? I don't see it.
See it? See it?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I see her.
Yeah. How you know it's a her?
I
There she
see.
goes again.
I see her.
There
Walk
she
off the
goes.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see
I
it.
see it
Yeah,
spouting.
yeah.
Oh, I see her
Yeah.
body.
Oh,
Oh,
there.
that's so cute.
Oh, there she is.
You don't see stuff like that in the movies.
We in the movie. We in our movie.
Ooh, that's
Look at that.
pretty.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, she's
Part of his tail sticking out of the water.
she putting on a show.
Uh-huh.
You can't get that close to her because it'll scare her, huh?
Now, she probably used to these boats.
Yeah. They probably pay her.
Yeah, but you don't want to cut her with the engine.
No.
That's right. The engine.
That is so pretty. She's not coming back out. She said she's done for now.
That's my act for today.
That's
Ooh, the sun feels good.
Well, you know the air you're breathing is pretty fresh.